Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Puppy Paws, and this is the October Allure box. I am a little behind, but I'm trying to get better. Now this one is special because this was the first box with the upped price. They went from $15, very reasonable, to $22. And I looked at my bank. It is $25 with tax. So I am giving it one more shot here in November, but if it's not good, then please let me know if there is another box like Allure that is in a more reasonable price range. Maybe not BoxyCharm. Can't even remember the one I actually started off with, but it was like $12, and it was like skincare and makeup and all that too. But let's just get into the box. And it is a different box, if you can't tell. It's got these ridges. It is the same size though, so let's be hopeful. Alrighty. Here is our insert. It says just Allure Beauty Box. And as usual, it's just got the products. And as usual, I always put the product name and price down below, and if it's full size or sample, sometimes I can't even tell. But let's start. Okay, and our first thing is Wilma Schumann Hydrating Collagen Eye Pads. And you see, this is what I was afraid of. This is, for all intents and purposes, even though it's one pack, a full-size item. I know it comes in more than just this, but this is considered full size. And like I said last month, full size could be a makeup brush or a small nail polish or something like that. And so this probably $1 to $2 at most. I'll actually even check it. Let's see. 18 for 5 applications. Never mind. Actually, 5 and 5 is 15. So yeah, wait. 5 times 5. So, okay, so it's, I hate math. I can't do math. It's a little over $5 or a little over $4 for one pack. So, okay. Next item. Let's go for this little boy here. And this is the Verso Super Eye Serum with retinol. It is just an eye serum. We all know what eye serums do. You put it on your eyes every day and it gets away puffiness. It makes them brighter, happy. And here is a little tip. Let's see what this looks like. Every time I do that, I think I'm going to like splurt it in my eye. I did that with super glue once. Ugh. I also did that with a marshmallow once. My dad knows that story. He was there. Scary. And the marshmallow was on fire. Go figure. But here it is, just a little white gel cream. Very cool. Very rubs in very quickly. And you don't ever need much of this stuff unless you got like excessive bags and eye wrinkles or something, but whatever. And it smells like lotion. So this little tube, my fingers were very slippery, probably lasts me 6, 7, 8 months. A long time if I use it every day. If I don't, then probably further. Next item. And this is what I was also talking about. This is Static Nails, just a small little nail polish. in the color Irene. It's pinker in real life, but it is a nude pink. It is a color I will never ever wear, so that's gonna go to my friend Manda, because she wears nail polish like crazy. And let's see, is this a sample or full size? This is a full size for $16. It'll be down below too. But yeah, like I said, this is full size. Allure, not too happy. Next item, the new Topical C. If the glare would stop. Thank you. See, I can't even see this far away, so hopefully it's not blurry or anything. But this is Topical C. What is... Oh, fresh vitamin C, firms fine lines, and snows, brightens, antioxidant. Okay. Is it like a liquid vitamin C? What do you... It's a pretty bottle, though. It looks very, like, antique, like something you would put, like, strychnine in. Very cute. I do like the bottle, but it looks like a powder. I've never seen powdered vitamin C. Well, yeah, it does. It says 2-3 shakes. Well, not 2-3 shakes right now. Blend in the moisturizer, serum, or water. Apply to clean, dry skin daily. Huh. Blend in the moisturizer, serum, or water. Well, I always need better skincare. And it is... Oh! I hope that stays on. It is a powder. And it says 2-3 shakes, so probably, like, I tapped it out, but probably just go shake, shake. And, huh. Oh. I was hoping it smelled like citrus, but it smells of nothing. Which I guess, okay, because it's a powder. And it is a powdery powder. Oof. Yeah, okay. That just got all in the air. But that's pretty cool. I will start putting this into either my moisturizer, because I moisturize like twice a day, or water. I can use water too. Water is available. But that's pretty cool. That's kind of neat. So, that's something I haven't seen before. Okay, Allure. You get 1 brownie point. Next item. La Roche-Posay Laboratoire Dermatologique. I guess it's French. A lot of French people making items. Extra dry skin. Me. Lipicare Balm AP Plus Intense Repair Moisturizing Cream. Yay! Okay. And this has definitely got to be a sample size because this is tiny. But this is... I actually do want to check the price on this because, you know, it's French. It's got to be fancy and expensive. Where is this? Woo! Oh, yeah. Yeah, this is definitely a sample because the big one, the full size, is an actual bottle. Oh, it's not actually even expensive. I might get a full size. Okay, so let's check this out. Pull off a little tabby tab. Okay, so we have it. I'm gonna... Again, just a white cream. Rub it in. Ooh, it's thick. Kind of smells like glue. I don't know. It's so weird because I'll sniff these in videos and I'll be like, it smells chemically. It smells like glue. But then when I actually use it, scent changes completely. Because yeah, that smells like Elmer's glue right now. Not strong, but you get that plasticky smell. But it is nice. It's thick. It'll definitely sink in and moisturize. So, yay. Happy for that. I'm actually almost pretty okay impressed with this box so far. iPads, they're kind of like a throwaway thing, but it could be fun. Okay, this is Dr. Jart. Dr. Jart we do love. He's expensive, little boy, but we love him. Ceramidin Cream. Moisture Retention Shield. So it's another moisturizer, I do believe. Oof. I don't know what's up with my butterfingers today. I'm just, like, almost dropping everything. And this is actually looks like the full, nope, this isn't a full size. Okay. Ha, because the full size is 48. I don't think they're going to give us this. If it was a full size, well, no. But okay. We'll do it on this hand. Ooh. That's a strange color. It's like my skin color. Not that I mind, but I mean, what does the color matter, right? But let's see. Ooh. It's thick again, like the last one. I'm just gonna move up a little bit because I feel like I'm like 8,000 feet away. And this has a little bit of a citrus scent to it. Very, very light, but pleasing. And it absorbed into my skin, as they all do. But, yeah. I gotta make sure this is actually a moisturizer because I read it and it said moisture barrier or something like that. Make sure your face retains as much existing moisture as possible. It's a moisturizer with a bonus. So, alrighty. We got 2 items left. Let's do, well, we all know what this is going to be. It's going to be a mask. They're in everyone, so it is not a mask. Where's my mask? I know we complain about them, but I wanted a nice fun sheet mask. It's like I do it once a month, and now I have shampoo and conditioner. It's by Native Fig. No, it's by Rusk Pure Mix, and it's called Native Fig. I mean, I'm all up for a new shampoo. Mine's actually running out, so maybe this will be good. It is the replenishing shampoo and replenishing conditioner for normal hair. And it's cruelty-free. That's all I can figure about it. But I guess it uses figs or something. I'll look. It's the most I've ever looked in this book. Or in a book. Where is it? Oh, all the way in the back. A blend of fig, vitamin C, E, and calcium gently cleanses and replenishes hair moisture levels while softening and detangling. Okay. It's a shampoo and conditioner sample. I'll probably use it. I will. I like shampoo and conditioner. And like I said, mine's running out. And if I can extend use for like another week, then why not? But here's our last item. Woo! Sigma and Sigma liquid lipstick. And as I said in my Ipsy, I'm getting a little tired of liquid lipsticks, but this looks like to be in a very beautiful red, and the name is Venom. So, please be a beautiful red. Oh, it's not as dark as the package. It's a little baby, but it is a pretty red. I do like that color. So let's see what it looks like. Oh, okay, it's a lot better. Oh. Oh, yeah. This is my color. Vampy red. Very vampy. Beautiful. And it's gonna just dry down to a matte, like, I'm gonna bite you red. I do like that. I do love this color. But that was this month's Allure box, the new one. I'd say I was about 50-50 on it. And I am going to wait until this month's, this was last month's, until this month, November, to really see if I love it. If I don't, I will be switching, but I really don't want to because I've I've been getting Allure for a while now, and I kind of feel loyal. But anyways, if you liked this, please like, comment, subscribe, share. What do you think about the items? Are they worth $22 a month? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, this is Puppy. Bye!